Get ready for a journey into the world of supercars and their powerful machines. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to drive a car that not only offers explosive power, but also the durability to travel more than 500,000 kilometers? Today, we're revealing the 20 rarest and most impressive luxury engines ever made, each a true masterpiece of engineering. Stay with us and discover which engine might have the strength to turn any road into a racetrack, and who knows, even defy time. We start our list at number 20, Lamborghini V12. In 1966, the Lamborghini V12 engine was introduced in the iconic Miura, changing everything we know about supercars. Get ready for an explosion of power and design that defies the limits of speed. With a lightweight aluminum block and an impressive 60-degree angle, this 12-cylinder engine delivers unbelievable power and performance. It's synonymous with adrenaline on the tracks and on the road. Lamborghini's impressive V12 stands out for its durability, with many engines achieving more than 250,000 kilometers without significant mechanical problems. A true champion in the automotive world, this engine was a revolution. Famous for being the first supercar to use electronic injection, it guarantees fuel efficiency and cutting-edge performance. Did you know that this forever changed the future of engines? At number 19, Ferrari F136 EV8. The Ferrari F136 EV8 is a powerful masterpiece. Since 2001, it has been used in several Ferrari and Maserati models, becoming an icon among V8 South. You can feel the passion behind every rev of the engine. This 4.3-liter V8 engine was designed to operate at the highest revs. Adrenaline runs wild with every acceleration, providing a driving experience that will make your heart race like a real racing car. Incredibly robust, the F136 EV8 can exceed 300,000 kilometers if well maintained. It is a testament to engineering excellence. Who would have thought that a luxury engine would have so much durability? It's like a wine that improves with time. An active participant in competitions, this engine does not disappoint. It reflects exceptional performance and a legacy of victories on the track. Did you know that your roar can be heard from miles away? A true symphony of power. At number 18, Jaguar AJV8. The Jaguar AJV8, launched in 1996, is one of the brand's most iconic engines, guaranteeing performance and elegance in models such as the XK and XJ. It is a true masterpiece of automobile engineering. This 4.0-liter V8 engine features innovations such as VVT and sequential injection. The result? A perfect combination of strength and efficiency that pleases both those who love speed and those who seek comfort. AJV8 users highlight its impressive durability, often exceeding 400,000 kilometers. With the right care, this engine can be a faithful partner for many years. The supercharged version of the AJV8 explodes with over 500 horsepower. Imagine the emotion of feeling this power. Ideal for those who live for high performance and that exciting roar when accelerating. At number 17, Porsche Flat 6. Porsche's Flat 6 engine is iconic for its unmistakable sound and impressive performance. Introduced since the 60s, it has become part of the DNA of legendary models such as the 911. Have you ever heard that engine roar on the streets? With displacements ranging from 3.0 to 4.0 liters, this engine has a horizontal configuration that not only improves handling but also offers a lower center of gravity. This means more stability when cornering. Impressive. Some models equipped with the Flat 6 have been known to exceed 500,000 kilometers. This is thanks to regular servicing, bringing Porsche's durability and cutting-edge engineering to the fore. Innovative, the Flat 6 engine was the first to use direct injection in a production car. This technology revolutionized efficiency and performance, putting Porsche ahead of its time. Did you know that? At number 16, Aston Martin V12. Introduced in 2001, Aston Martin's V12 engine has become an icon of luxury and performance among car lovers. It represents the essence of what it means to drive a true supercar. With an impressive 5.9 liters and a cutting-edge electronic management system, this V12 delivers a sophisticated and agile driving experience that makes your heart beat faster at every corner. Owners often report surprising durability, exceeding 250,000 kilometers. It's as if this engine is just beginning its journey when many would have already given up. Used in classics such as the DB9 and Vanquish, this powerful engine delivers more than 600 horsepower, turning any road into a racetrack. A true dream on wheels. At number 15, Maserati V8. Maserati has been an icon in the world of V8 engines since the 1980s, with a robust legacy in supercars. Each engine is a masterpiece, reflecting power and sophistication that enthusiasts love. This 4.2-liter V8 engine combines visceral power with impressive efficiency. And how about the sound? Unmistakable. It's like music to the ears of those who live and breathe speed. With proper maintenance, these engines can easily exceed 300,000 kilometers. Imagine starting your Maserati knowing that you still have a long way to go. It's pure excitement. Traditionally, this engine delivers robust torque at low revs, perfect for electrifying sporty driving. A true dream on the track and on the road. At number 14, Mercedes-Benz M156 V8. The Mercedes-Benz M156 V8 was launched in 2006, specifically created for the AMG range, promising unparalleled power and performance. A true icon that represents the passion for automotive engineering. This naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers an explosive driving experience. The sensation when accelerating is indescribable, as if you are controlling a rocket on the road. Owners of this engine frequently report that it can exceed 200,000 kilometers without major repairs, establishing an impressive reputation for durability and reliability. The M156 is iconic for being one of the last Mercedes engines to not have turbo assist, offering the pure visceral experience that engine lovers crave. Who doesn't love that? At number 13, Bugatti W16. Introduced in 2005, the Bugatti W16 is more than an engine. It is a true milestone in automotive engineering, present in supercars such as the Veyron and Chiron. You know that unmistakable snort. He is the one who delivers pure emotion wherever he goes. This monstrous W16 has 8.0 liters and 4 turbos, generating an impressive 1,500 horsepower. This isn't just power, it's an invitation to speed and adrenaline, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in record time. Even though it's under the hood of supercars, the magic happens with regular maintenance. Surprisingly, this engine withstands long mileage, defying what we normally think about high-performance engines. With an ultra-sophisticated electronic management system, the W16 offers multiple power settings. This means you can shape the driving experience, making every journey unique and exciting. Who doesn't want that? At number 12, Koenigsegg V8. The Koenigsegg V8 is a masterpiece, developed exclusively for Koenigsegg supercars since 2002. This rare engine is not just powerful, it is an engineering statement, shaping the future of supercars. With 5.0 liters of pure emotion under the hood and turbo technology, it can rev up to an impressive 8,500 rpm. Get ready to feel the adrenaline when you step on the accelerator, as the power is simply breathtaking. Although designed for speed, many models can exceed 200,000 kilometers with regular use. That's right, these supercars are more durable than you might think, showing that performance and endurance can coexist. A highlight is its innovative power system, which allows quick switching between E85 and gasoline. This means you can optimize performance by changing fuel in an instant. Who knew that luxury and practicality could go together? At number 11, Pagani Mercedes-Benz M120 V12. The Pagani Mercedes-Benz M120 V12 engine is more than a mechanical part. It is the beating heart of every Pagani model. With its exclusive design, it has become synonymous with status and sophistication among car enthusiasts. With an impressive 7.3 liters, this V12 produces a robust sound, capable of making any engine lover feel the adrenaline. His legendary performance is a spectacle in itself, unforgettable for anyone lucky enough to experience it. Pagani guarantees that this incredible engine can run up to 300,000 kilometers with regular maintenance. This means that, in addition to power and style, you'll also have the durability to explore every road. Horacio Pagani chose this engine not only for its power, but for its aesthetic beauty. The combination of design and performance makes the M120 V1 to a masterpiece on wheels, impressing even the most demanding connoisseurs. At number 10, Toyota to JZ GT. The Toyota to JZ GTE is a legend in the world of tuning, powering the iconic Toyota Supra since 1991. This engine is not just famous, it is a true icon that made history on the streets and tracks. With its 3.0-liter inline-six configuration and two turbos, this engine combines power and efficiency impressively. The emotion it provides is electrifying, don't you think? Owners of this engine often report extraordinary durability, exceeding the 500,000 kilometers mark with regular use. It's hard to find something so reliable in a sports car. Considered one of the most tunable engines in the world, the 2JZ GTE can easily exceed 1,000 horsepower with the appropriate modifications. Are you ready to transform this beast into a true track monster? At number 9, Ford 5.0 Coyote V8. Introduced in 2011, the Ford 5.0 Coyote V8 is not just an engine, it's an icon. This powerful block gave new life to the Mustang, bringing a roar that still echoes on the tracks and streets today. With 5.0 liters of pure adrenaline, this V8 is light and powerful, equipped with direct injection that maximizes efficiency. Get ready for a driving experience that makes your heart skip a beat. Did you know that many owners report more than 300,000 kilometers with this engine? That's right, a testament to the durability and reliability that Coyote offers, defying the passage of time. The Coyote V8 is responsible for the rebirth of the modern Mustang. Its power and performance revitalized the passion for muscle cars, putting the Mustang back in the spotlight. At number 8, Nissan RB26 DETT. The Nissan RB26 DETT is a true icon, known for its overwhelming power in the Nissan Skyline GTR. This engine has become a legend in the world of sports cars, leaving its mark on automotive history and in the hearts of enthusiasts. With its 2.6-liter inline-six configuration and twin turbochargers, the RB26 DETT delivered surprising power. In the 90s, few engines could rival its performance and efficiency, subverting the expectations of the time. The durability of the RB26 DETT is impressive. With the right maintenance, this engine can easily exceed 400,000 kilometers. For engine lovers, this is like finding a rare gem that continues to shine even after years of use. Adored by drifters and tuners, the RB26 DETT has won a legion of fans around the world. Its respect in the automotive scene is such that many consider it the best six-cylinder engine ever made. Do you know anyone else that compares? At number 7, Honda K20. The Honda K20 has become a true icon among tuning enthusiasts. Since 2001, it has been the preferred choice on many Honda models. Taking performance and customization to new heights, this 2.0-liter OHC engine was designed with a lightweight, efficient construction, allowing cars to come to life in a nimble manner. It's the perfect combination of power and economy, a rarity in modern engines. Incredibly, many owners report that the K20 exceeds 300,000 kilometers without experiencing any serious problems. This provokes the question, how can an engine be so durable and reliable? Its reliability and potential for modifications make the K20 a mainstay in competitions. And you, have you ever thought about what an upgrade to this engine could do to your performance on the track? At number 6, Chevrolet LSV8. Since its launch in 1997, the Chevrolet LSV8 has become a phenomenon. This thunderous engine has become the choice of performance aficionados, powering a variety of heart-pounding cars. With 5.7 liters of pure power, the V8 engine is renowned for its robustness and versatility. He is not just an engine, it is a legend among automobiles, making it an icon on the roads. The impressive. Many of these engines can exceed 400,000 kilometers without major repairs. That's right, 400,000, a true testament to durability and resistance. That's why tuning enthusiasts love it. Its affordability and availability make the LSV8 an irresistible choice for anyone looking to turn a good car into a true racing machine. At number 5, Subaru EJ20. The Subaru EJ20 is famous for its durability, surviving the tests of time in several of the brand's models since the 1980s. This engine has become a legend among enthusiasts, proving that trust in an engine is everything. This 2.0-liter boxer engine has a secret: its low center of gravity. This not only improves the car's stability, but also makes driving an exciting experience full of control when cornering. Incredibly, many EJ20 engines reach over 500,000 kilometers. Owners take pride in their machines, often calling them cars for life. Who knew an engine could have so much longevity? The EJ20's boxer design offers a unique weight distribution, taking the vehicle's dynamics to a new level. Imagine the feeling of a car that behaves as if it was stuck to the road. A true masterpiece of engineering. At number 4, Alfa Romeo Twin Spark. The Alfa Romeo Twin Spark emerged in the 1990s and quickly became famous for its unparalleled efficiency and performance. This engine not only powered a new era of models, but also won the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. With a 2.0-liter displacement and 2 ignition systems, the Twin Spark is a true engineering miracle. This unique configuration allows the engine to burn fuel more efficiently, delivering power and economy in one package. It's impressive to know that, with proper care, this engine can exceed the 250,000 kilometers mark. This is not just resistance, it is a testament to the quality and engineering of Alfa Romeo, which knows how to create long-lasting engines. The secret behind the Twin Spark's success is its innovative configuration. This special technique provides a more complete fuel burn, resulting in more power and efficiency, making it a true classic on the roads. Now, we come to our top 3 on our list, BMW MS70 halves. The BMW MS70 halves is a true milestone in automotive history. Used in the legendary BMW McLaren F1, this engine is not just a machine, but a testament to what happens when engineering and performance meet in extraordinary ways. With an impressive 6.1-liter V12, its closed design is subtly sophisticated. This engine is pure art in motion, delivering power and excitement with every acceleration, capturing the essence of high-performance racing. The most impressive documented cases show that many BMW MS70 halves managed to overcome the 300,000 kilometers barrier. This is more than just durability, it is a testament to the manufacturing and engineering excellence of this icon. Considered one of the most iconic and recognizable engines in history, the MS70 halves is not just about power, but also about legacy. A true symbol of what it means to be a lover of cars and engines. At number 2, Noble M400 V8. The Noble M400 V8 is used in one of the UK's most respected supercars. He is a true icon on the tracks and roads, raising dust and hearts wherever he goes. An engine that makes any enthusiast daydream. This 3.0-liter V8 delivers impressive power, making your acceleration sound like music. With an unmistakable roar, it generates that energy that turns every trip into a truly exciting journey. Durability is its trademark. Many M400 V8 models maintain performance beyond 250,000 kilometers. This means you can trust this engine, taking you on adventures without limits and without fear of failure. The secret? It combines a Ford engine with a lightweight structure, providing a perfect balance. It's a favorite choice among enthusiasts seeking breathtaking performance without sacrificing reliability. And now, first on our list, McLaren M838T. The McLaren M838T has been the beating heart of McLaren models since 2011, an unquestionable example of engineering excellence that eagerly awaits every sprint on the track. This 3.8-liter biturbo V8 impresses with over 700 horsepower, providing a driving experience that is pure adrenaline and excitement, like a ferocious roar on the roads. Tests have revealed that the M838T is not only powerful, but also durable, with the ability to travel more than 250,000 kilometers without compromising performance. A true marathon runner on the slopes. With cutting-edge turbochargers, it is one of the most innovative engines on the market, transforming every drop of fuel into pure power. Are you ready to feel this strength in the palm of your hand? Hey car lovers, which of these engines is your favorite? Or do you know of any other engines that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news.